Hey everyone, it's Allie, and today we are going to be trying out another set of hair extensions. Big thank you to Googoo Hair for sending out these extensions to me. I have tried their products in the past and I've loved them. So today we are going to be trying out a little bit of a different variation of these extensions. I'm still going to be trying on some clip-in extensions, but these are the seamless extensions. So let me tell you a little bit about those. It has a thinner band up here, which makes it really nice and easier to conceal. It lays flat against your scalp and it makes it just even lighter and more comfortable to wear. Even though this hair that I received, it is 150 grams in weight, so it is thicker, but it feels lighter because of the really light and thin band. So this is 100% human hair. It can be dyed and styled. It has comfortable wear clips. It keeps your natural hair damage free with no bulk, just natural looking volume and length. And again, the lay flat design is invisible and discreet and it won't damage your hair. So personally, I love clip-in extensions. It's just a fun way of kind of adding fullness, adding length, adding color to your hair without the commitment. So you can switch it up every now and then. You don't have to worry about the maintenance of extensions that are like either glued or taped or whatever it may be. So I personally love long, thick, luscious hair. I have long-ish hair. I have noticed that over time, my ends are definitely a little bit more sparse. Lots of different factors have contributed to that, whether it may be postpartum hair loss, stress, or water hardness, things like that. I'm also due for a haircut. So yeah, I wanted to add a little bit of length and thickness and just kind of fill in any of the sparse spots. Let me open the extensions because that's what we're here for, right? Okay. Here we have the extensions. They come in this box. It says Googoo Hair Extensions, 100% Remy hair. Let's open it up. I did open it and take a peek, but I didn't really play with it or hold it up against my head. But I did see that they included a hair clip, which I like. Here is the actual hair. It comes with a little booklet, a little instruction booklet with all the different types of hair, whether it's clip-ins, tape-ins, and stuff like that. So a nice little booklet just to keep handy. Now I do have a couple of discount codes. I will leave them on the screen and down below. So if you want to go ahead and purchase Googoo for yourself, you can go ahead and use my code. Feel free to use my code. Get yourself a little discount. This is what the hair looks like. I think the match is still going to be good. I have tried different lengths and different colors in the past. Today am going to be using the color Caramel Balayage, which is 4-27-4, I believe. And I thought I got the 22 inch, but I think this says it's 20. So yeah, it says 20. So I will double check, but I will leave all the information down below. In the past, I've gotten, I believe, 24 and 26, if I'm not mistaken. But this time I was like, let me get something that's maybe a little bit closer to my length and focus mostly on thickness or color and things like that. I also like just having a variation, which is also the fun in clip-in extensions, because you can have super long mermaid hair, or you can have long hair or kind of long. You can also play around with shorter lengths, but this is the one that I got. It comes like this. It has a little hairnet. Actually, ooh, that match looks pretty good. That's exciting. Okay. Also, if the lighting is a little funky, hopefully it's not. Hopefully you can tell that the color is good, but it is later in the day, sun is setting, so this is what we're working with. But okay, so let's open it up. Here we have the extensions. I'm gonna see if I can take a look at my other extensions too and just compare, but these, ooh, they feel really nice and thick. Okay, before I take these out, that's a perfect match. Now I have gotten this color in the past, so I was pretty confident in the color match, but I just did my hair, so I wasn't sure how well it was gonna match. But what I love about Googoo is even through the website, I find that it's pretty easy to find a color match. They have a really nice selection of different tones, different shades, different styles. But yeah, so this is a Caramel Balayage. So pretty. So I do have my other set of the Caramel Balayage. I just wanna take a look and see. Now these extensions are the ones that I have worn many times and I did make a video about, but I just want to compare. Now it's going to be a little bit hard to tell because they're longer and still curled. This is styled, worn, things like that. And this is fresh out of the packaging. But I think you can tell the difference in thickness. And if you see the ends here, even the ends are much more full. Obviously, again, this is curled and styled, but you can see, I think you can see that this does appear a little bit more full. I brushed it out kind of to blend it a little bit better, but yeah, you can still, I think, tell that this is thicker. And by weight, I believe that it is a heavier weight, meaning that it's obviously more dense. There's more hair in there. So although it is a shorter length compared to my classic 24s, 20s are heavier, they're thicker. Now, I still love my classic clip-ins, but again, I just wanted to try something new. Also compared to the classic, let me see if you can see. The classic has that sewn like weft at the top. I'll try to do a close-up so you can see. Just to compare, this is a classic over here, the classic band, and this is the seamless. So it just lays flatter. It's thinner, it's less bulky. So yeah, this thinner band truly makes it seamless. So again, this is the seamless. You can see how thin it is over on this side, super thin. And then this is the classic, which is still pretty thin and comfortable, but it's definitely not as thin as a seamless. All right, so I'm gonna just cut these little bands off. Okay, so I just cut this now. I hope the length is still okay. I think it will be fine. Yeah, perfect. Okay, cool. All right, let's get started. Let me just map this out. All right, so I'm gonna start with the 3, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in for you. Ooh, it feels really, really great in my hair. Like super soft, very good quality. Ooh, see? Cute. So here's my hair. Here are the extensions. Ooh, I love. Let's curl that. That looks good. Sorry if the lighting's weird, but okay. Let's do another row. Color is perfect. I literally hope that I'm curling the right pieces. No, that's my hair, because I can't even tell. It curls so well, so quickly and nicely. And I'm gonna just like leave my hair like that, and I'll kind of brush it through after. It also feels really nice and flat, like against my scalp, which is good. That's funny. It's like thicker than the other extensions, or just I feel like general clip-in extensions. Oh, let me curl that. But the actual like band is flatter, so it just feels like lighter on the head. It literally looks exactly like my hair. Ooh. For those of you who don't know, also I am a professional, so I do hair professionally, and I really, really like this hair. It literally matches perfectly. I can already tell that I think I'm going to just have to order the longer length, because this is like phenomenal. Look at that. That looks so nice and thick and full. It literally matches perfectly. So now the last 2 I'm going to put like right by the front. Right in the front to fill in those sparse areas. Okay. Those are the last 2 pieces. I'm going to take my hair down now and touch up any pieces if I have to, and tease anything if I have to. Make sure nothing's sticking out. So what I like to do for like a little insurance is just take the top part of my hair and just kind of tease it up and just make sure that like nothing is showing. Let's do over here too. So I think everything's nice and covered. Let me see if you can take a look. And I'm just gonna like comb my fingers through and blend everything together. But you can see it looks so much thicker. Nice and shiny. Lengthwise, it's not much longer than my natural hair, but it definitely looks thicker and healthier, shinier. Really pretty. Let me see if we can show you the back. Here are my thoughts. These extensions are absolutely beautiful. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm still a huge fan of the classic clip-ins that I have, these, I think you can tell the difference. And I was already super happy with the original, but these just feel like a little bit more luxe. You know what I mean? So I love that they're a little bit heavier, they're thicker, they're fuller, they're softer. I think it looks great. What do you think? Good? Cool. Okay, so again, I will leave my discount codes up on the screen if you want to go ahead and use those to get a little bit of money off for yourselves. And I will leave that information down below as well if you want to go ahead and shop for yourselves. Again, they have tons of different colors and styles to choose from, different lengths, different types of extensions, different colors. So depending on what you need, you can go ahead and take a look for yourself and get the ones that you want. I find it's pretty easy to find a color match. I mean, this one's like pretty spot on. It matches like perfectly. So yeah, you can go ahead and pick out some extensions for yourself. I will leave all the information down below. Again, a big thank you to Googoo Hair Extensions for sending these gorgeous extensions over. I'll try to insert like a before and after here and there whenever I can. Love it. Absolutely love it. So this is fun. I'm obsessed. I love it. Super happy with it. I hope that this was helpful for you. A little side-by-side comparison, a little try on. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that it was helpful. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. Let me know what type of videos you want to see. And if you've tried Googoo or any other thing you want me to try. So that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.